Welcome to all in SST College Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edupedia. Today I am going to take a class SYCS SAM 4 subject Android development, and the topic is Android My App 2. My name is Vandana Soni, and first we have to start some interactive like a interactive user interface using layout system. What is the layout? First thing we have to making in a duration making in a app via any Android system. So what we have to do? Something making a different related to layout. What is the layout? First thing, whenever we try to making any applications, the layout is a major part. Why? Because of the layout is specify the whole program content. So it is more impactable to accessing any application in your mobile system. So what we have to do? First start with the linear layout in the Android system. Android system provide a facility to making a linear layout. It means what? Whenever we try to making any simple content for a layout recognition, so it is very easy to making. Like that, linear layout is a view group that is the responsible for holding a views in it. It is a layout that arrange its children. It means we have to making a lots of packages like a view, content view. We can make under in a view a certain line. So what is are the facility they can are provide in making two Android applications? That is the various view and the layout linearly one after another in a single common vertical or a single row horizontal. So we can say the horizontal is represent a row wise and vertical represent a column wise. So making of the layout system in a horizontal and vertical, it should be a common process. Suppose we have to taking a simple example. In any application, whenever we see the some content is show in a different way, the way of the representation or the layout representation. Sometimes we can see like a horizontally, like a vertically. So we can make for a help of the column and row, making the specify a horizontal and the vertical option. Next, we have to see the horizontal linear layout. Horizontal linear layout is the simple representation. In a horizontal linear layout, as the name is suggest, the various defined inside the linear layout will be arranged horizontally once. It means what? Whenever we try to making some specification plotting in a panel, it means what? The divisions of the particular app. So it should be making a single line. We can say a single line representations in a way of the horizontally of a system. So what we can do a main part like in a row. The row is specify the certain content in a particular app. So by default the organization is a set of the horizontally. By default it means the whenever we try to fetch and uploaded in applications like a drag and drop, so default set is a horizontally. So we want to change, so we can change, otherwise it not a necessary part. But it's a good practice to explicitly specify the means the orientations of the linear layout by setting a attribute Android. It means whenever we making a partition of the row or column Y, so it will be means the simple way to a representation. Orientations with the value horizontal in the linear layout tag. So we can specify the line is specified by a horizontal linear layout. Now the vertical linear layout, now we can say in a vertical linear layout, as the name of suggests, the view defined inside of the linear layout. Okay, so whenever we try to see, the app should be a different and the linear layout is making a some content related portions like a horizontally or a vertically. So vertically we have to choose for a content recognitions. Just example we can take, we can use a menu, lots of things we can using a lots of listing, we can use a lots of the options available. So it specifies some vertical linear layout series like a column, and it is a new to mention. It means whenever we try to making in the situations the certain content, it comes maintaining a mention parts. The Android orientation attribute with a value vertical with the linear layout tag. Now we can see the genuine of Activate main class. It should be defined as a nothing but a code representations. First start with the XML, and we have to use a stop of the XML file. We can see a linear layout in the XML Android. For whenever we try to write down and put on the linear layout thing, it's a very simple way to we can using a drag and drop option. So suddenly we have to choose some linear layout situations in a post in a mobile simulator, and we can see this code is represented in a design in a code sections. So it specify a linear layout, just it is a Android code, and we have to change in a width and height and pattern in the linear layout system. We can also use a type. We can say the Android orientations is the vertical. The side by side we have to see if we want to horizontal layout, just change in the orientation to a horizontal. So we can put the name of the vertical and drag a horizontal. We can write down in a hand by using this code is remove in the vertical and write down in a horizontal. Next is a tool content is meaning a dot main active file. It is a main active file represent the all over code in representing in a simulator. Now we can see a edit text. Edit text we can take a name of the text field. So we can change in a height, we can change in a width of the positions, and we can manage the particular edit text file. Step 2, we can use a lots of button in our coding. So button represent whenever we click on the particular button, the function will be resume. So in this case we can use a lots of activity. Now here we can see the horizontal and vertical option. So we want to change, so it will be more easy to manageable. Next we can also choose a text vision in our system or application development. So it is a text view we can use. Again we can use a text view, matlab means just dictate in a application form, and the emulator we can use a lots of buttons and text view in our the emulator as per the requirement. After that we have to see here we can getting a background as a black, because we set a background color is a style.xml in a previous practices. So item name, Android background, and the name of the we can choose the background, the color is specified. We can which type of the color we have to use, like a green, yellow, blue, whatever we want. So we can change to a very easily. Simultaneously we can change to a here, in which we can see it is a designing portal. The represent to a layout width, layout height, we can add it and manage. We can set orientations activities, we can set means unreader name, and the side by side we can see the linear layout symbol. It's so कि whenever we want to choose a linear layout function, it should be more reliable. We can't change in a main active XML file. The XML file is only write down a one simple task. After that we use a lots of one button, and the text view we can take a 2, because writing something and post to the other hand, and that is a background simplifications. So the color is, whenever we want to change, it should be a main different. So via using these techniques we can use very easily. Now we can say a main output. So output, if we can see into here horizontally and vertically, both are the representations is in our screen. So it making us so simple to making a Android app. This is a Android app, a second model we have to seen and making a second application just for using a linear layout function. We have to see a horizontal linear layout and vertical linear layout in our screen. That is a simple representations. We can change a background, we can change the name of the text, edit view, we can change the type here, we can change to everything for our panel. So it's making a very simple app in a system. Thank you.